Hey there. If we've not met before, I'm Jake from CISA5, and I wanted to offer you some tech tips on some Google accessibility features, specifically on the Google Chromebook. So I'm going to go to the bottom right of my Chromebook where I'm joining you from today, and I'm going to click on the little settings cog. And then on the bottom left of my Chromebook settings, I'm going to click on Advanced, and I'll scroll down a little bit to Accessibility. And there you can see I can toggle on or off if I want to always show my accessibility options in the menu. That's up to you. But what I'd like you to do is click on the Manage Accessibility Features. Now, there are lots of great accessibility features to help students with all needs, audio as well as video, visual, keyboarding, and quite a bit. And they're continuing to expand more. So way to go, Google. I can click on the text-to-speech settings here. That's the purpose of this video. And I can adjust the rate, the pitch, the volume, which is all really cool. But I specifically wanted to show you this update. Open select-to-speech settings. And here you can see that once I've chosen English as my language, it's going to give me some options. And it's probably going to default to the United States. By default, probably for you, it's English United States 1. But I can change that, for example, from that somewhat, regular
Hi there,
American
I'm
voice.
your text-to-speech voice.
Not bad. So even there, it's more natural than the robotic one that we're typically used to. But if I give my students an option, I imagine they might choose maybe a United Kingdom, nice British accent. So let's see what English United Kingdom voice 5.
Hi there, I'm your text-to-speech voice.
That's a nice voice. I could listen to that all day. So that's all I had to do. As a student, I've gone to advanced. I've changed this to the natural voice feature. I've chosen the voice that I like. And then I can go to a website or anything that my teacher directs me to. For example, let's say we're in social studies class and we're reading the Declaration of Independence. So now down in the bottom right, you'll see this symbol, select to speech, and I can toggle that on and off. And when I tell it what I want it to read.
Declaration of Independence. A transcription. Note,
very cool.
The following text is a transcription
I can
of the
change
stone
the
engraving
speed
of the parchment Declaration
as well.
of Independence.
I can pause it. I can go from one paragraph to the
Congress,
next.
July 4th, 17...
Which is really great. So very, very easy from the student end. Something else that I could do perhaps as the teacher or a student, if you want to teach your students how to do this. Remember, I'm on a Chromebook, so if I go Control C, I'm going to go to a website called rewordify.com. I was a social studies teacher before coming to CISA here to support tech, so I like this site. I can simply take something like the Declaration of Independence and rewordify it. So now here in the preamble and then the natural rights section, you can see, for example, we hold these truths to be, instead of self-evident, it changed it to obvious. So a little more graspable language. And then here, remember, down on the bottom, I'm going to click on my new features for speech to text, tell it what I want it to read.
Official. Public statement.
And there we go. So from this rewordify.com website, same thing. Wherever I'm at, be it a Google Doc or a website, it can read it aloud. And it's that nice British accent. Now here's your quiz. One of these that we did today was an accommodation and one was a modification. Your challenge is to tell me which is which. Looking forward to hear from you. Reach out anytime. I'm here to help. Bye-bye.